So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to view and share Instagram Playback. On Instagram, Playback, also called Year in Review or Recap Stories, lets you rewatch and share a collection of your past stories in a single highlight style format. So all you have to do is launch the Instagram app on your phone. If available, you'll see a Playback or Year in Review banner at the top of your feed, like a story. Just tap it and Instagram will automatically create a recap using stories you shared during the year. You can tap to move forward, tap hold to pause, and swipe to go back. And if you want to edit your Playback before sharing, you can remove certain stories, add archived stories, or even add text, stickers, and music. And if you don't use and see a story you want to include it, you just go to your profile, 3 lines, and then archive. Find the story, add it to your Playback if the feature is still active. After reviewing your Playback, tap Share to Story. You can add text, stickers, GIFs, and music. Tap your story to publish it, and your followers will now be able to view your Playback recap. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.